Dear learners, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. So Anderson-Hasselbalch equation, we are first to choose the weak acid like a HA. That is a reversible reaction to will be formation of a H plus A minus. That is since is nothing but HA, that is a reactant, it will be conversions of a product. It like a reversible means the HA, it will be dissociated H plus A minus, and sometimes this type of like a acid as well as a base, they combine to form a weak acid like a HA. The next step, like a Ka, that is a constant of weak acid, equal to H plus A minus divided by HA, like a H plus A minus, that is the what type of a product they are produced and as the what type of a reactant to be involved. So if they are divided, it will be getting the results. It's called as a constant of weak acid. Then next step, like a rearranging of the Ka, of the Ka equation, like a to be solved for H plus, like a, if already you are got the result like a Ka H plus A minus divided by Ha, this equation it's called as a, that is the first equation. The next one, uh, Ka equal to H plus A minus divided by Ha, that is the, if we are denoted as the first equation. Next step, we are rearranging like a Ka in the divide form, it will be comes to the this side means the like a multiplication form. Ka Ha H plus A minus. Next step, this type of the stages, it will be comes to this side like a H plus A minus equal to Ka Ha. The next step is H plus Ka Ha divided by A minus. Then next we are got the results for the like this is H hydrogen. The what is the value of hydrogen means like a H plus equal to Ka Ha by A minus. It will be denoted as a second equation, and it will be converting it to a log function. Just write converting it to logarithmic functions, like the second equation, logarithmic functions. The second equation number 2, it will be converting of log functions, like you should add two sides in the logarithm of, okay. So already you are got the results in the H plus Ka Ha divided by A minus. You should add both side is in the log, like a log term H plus divided by like a H plus log H plus, and also you should mention a log Ka Ha divided by A minus. This type of a log, it will be common for both Ka Ha divided by A minus. What is the next step means, like a log H plus, like a log Ka, and also you should mention the log Ha divided by A minus. Why? Because means already they are multiplication form, like a log Ka Ha by A minus. If they are multiply, then next step they are in this log, it will be common for Ka, and also this log it will be common for Ha by A minus. I hope this one type of the reaction are you clear everyone, right? The next step, like a both side, it will be added for the negative sign, like a symbol of the sign, negative sign on added to both the sides, okay. So like what is it will be happen means, like just if already got the log H plus, you should write the negative log H plus, and also you should mention the minus log Ka minus log Ha divided by A minus, right? So once this type of the equation, it will be denoted as a third equation, right? So I hope this structures, this final equation, it will be similar to the some type of the definitions, like everyone know that the definitions for the pH value, like a pH, since is nothing but negative log of hydrogen ions, that is name it's called as the definitions for a pH. And also you know about the, like a similar to pKa, since is nothing but negative log of Ka. So both of them, they are, it will be denoted as the fourth one, the fourth equation. This fourth equation, it will be applied to the third equation. So first of all, the what is the third equations or you got means like a minus log H plus, okay, minus log H plus minus log Ka, right? The next one minus log Ha divided by A minus, right? So already this type of the equation is called as a third equation, right? So next one, it will be applied to the fourth formula to the this type of the third equation. If the place of like this one, like a place of pH negative log hydrogen ions, pKa negative log of Ka. So it will be substitute in this place of the third equation, right? So pH equal to pKa negative log Ha divided by A minus, right? Yes. So here they are like a negative log, if will be changes to the that is a positive, like a plus charges. Okay, how do they are formed to the plus? It will be common for all the things, means like a reversible, like a minus Ha. pH equal to pKa plus log A minus divided by Ha. So I hope everyone clear about this one. The final Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. This is called as the final Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. So this Anderson-Hasselbalch equation, they are find out that both the salt as well as the acid, right? So it will be under another terms, it's called as the pH. pH is equal to pKa plus log, here the A minus already I told that Ha, that is a acid, A minus as well as a salt, base acid as well as a salt, like a log A minus, it's nothing but it is called as a salt, divided by Ha is nothing but that is called as a acid, right? Yes. So the next term, it will be other term, it's also called as a pH equal to pKa plus log concentrated bases, like sometime they name it's called as a concentrated base, and divided by its name it's called as a acid, right? And sometimes the other name it's called as a pH equal to pKa plus log proton acceptor, right? Proton acceptor, and sometimes they have proton donor, okay, right? So this is called as a proton donor as well as a proton acceptor. Which one is act as a proton acceptor means like a minus, it's called as a proton acceptor. Ha, it's act as a proton donor. And these are all the things, it will be based upon only for the pH, like a weak acid, it all the depends for only the Ha, its conversions of Ha, H plus A minus. Okay, so up to this one Anderson-Hasselbalch equation, just I will again recall, like this one Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. First we choose the weak acid, that is a reversible reaction, H plus A minus, and here the conversions of formations of Ka, like a weak acid H plus A minus divided by Ha, like that is a what type of a product you are got, and followed by the reactant. And you should write the rearranging of the Ka equation to be based upon the salt of the hydrogen ions, like a Ka H plus A minus divided by Ha, that is the first equation. And also we are find out the converting or formations of H plus means like a that is nothing but Ka, it will be multiplied into the Ha and equal to H plus A minus, and also just write that left side into the right side to the left side, Ha plus A minus and followed by the Ka Ha, H plus here the Ka Ha divided by A minus. So and the next step, like a just logarithmic functions, logarithmic function log H plus log Ka Ha A minus. Here also the log H plus log Ka. So this type they are both common. This type of a log Ka log H divided by A minus, and you should have the negative sign in the both side, like a minus log H plus minus log Ka minus log Ha by A minus. Here also the term, it's nothing but that is a pH value, you know everyone, like a negative log H plus, and also pKa negative log Ka, that is the fourth equation. That will be fourth equation, it will be substituted into the third equation. So finally if you are got that results is the pH equal to pKa negative log Ha by A minus. Here also that only once changes it will be happen in this place, like a negative charges it will be converted into the positive charges, like a minus to the divided by Ha. So this is finally it will be denoted as a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equal to pKa log salt by acid, and sometimes they are called as a concentrated base by acid, proton acceptor by proton donor, that is a proton acceptor as well as a proton donor. So these are all find out the final steps, that is the Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. I hope everyone clear about this one type of equation. Thank you all. Thank you.